If you email the same group of people often, create a contact group in Outlook. On the navigation bar, select the People icon, then the arrow next to New Contact, Contact Group. Name your group, select Add Members from Outlook Contacts. Double-click a contact to add them to the group. To select multiple contacts, hold down the Ctrl key, select Contacts, and then the Members button. You can also add an existing group to a new group, and even use different address books. When you're done, select OK. Need to remove a member? Select their name and remove member. When you're finished with your group, select Save and Close. And your new group appears in your contacts. So when you send an email, you'll find your groups just like other contacts.